I recently launched a new course called Complete Game Ready Fantasy Character Creation for Blender. I'm Jan, I've been a 3D artist for 9 years, and I will be your teacher for this course. You don't need any paid add-ons or other software besides Blender to follow along, but in some cases I have shown also some alternative workflows with paid add-ons. That can be an important part of your toolset if you want to do this kind of thing professionally. For example, I show how to do retopology manually and also using Blender's built-in auto-retopology tools, as well as commercial auto-retopology add-ons like Quad Remeasure and OK Topo Remeasure. You can choose for yourself whether you want to follow the free or the paid add-on workflow. As the course just launched, there is currently an early bird discount, allowing you to purchase it with 30% off. This will run until the end of April. It's a comprehensive Blender course that ends with exporting the rigged character with baked PBR textures to Unreal Engine. Throughout the course, there are many interesting Blender tips and tricks that you won't find anywhere else. We start by blocking out the character and exploring various sculpting techniques. You'll learn how to create the various body parts, like the hands, the various features of the face, stylized hair, and more. We also look at how to model and sculpt musculature. Then we get into modeling and sculpting the clothing with various technical challenges like sculpting folds and making this kind of cloth wrapped around a character. Of course, we then also create the materials for these clothes and for the character itself. Next, we'll look at various methods for creating the lower poly version that is intended for exporting to our game engine. We also look at how to make stylized materials using procedural node groups for interesting edge wear and occlusion effects. These custom node groups are included with the course as downloads for you to use. The runtime of the course is over 13 hours, split into lessons that take on average 10 minutes. Although everything is shown step by step, I would say that this is not a beginner course but aimed rather at intermediate Blender users who already have some experience with modeling and also with sculpting in 3D. If you are looking for a complete beginner course, I recommend my Anime Girl character course instead. And by the way, if you're too late for this early bird sale, you can still get a considerable discount by buying it as part of a bundle. These are available on 3dsecrets.com/bundles, including a character bundle which combines my character courses for a lower price. At the time of this video, there are already 68 lessons available, everything from sculpting, modeling and texturing the high poly version to retopologizing it for a lower poly game model and then UV unwrapping, with over 13 hours of content so far. So if you're excited about learning how to create your own characters, check it out with the link in the description, and I hope to see you in the course.